All right, I'm standing out here in a slight drizzle to show you guys this absolutely gorgeous home. I'm in North Claremore today. This home is absolutely gorgeous. It's about 19.5 acres. You've got a barn, there's a pond, there's a storm shelter, there's a second barn that has like a whole finished unit in it. Pretty cool, but let's get this tour going because I'm getting wet. Let's turn this around. You have a 3-car garage on the side over here. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the front profile here. I would go out in the yard, but then my shoes would be muddy and I don't want to get mud on the carpet. But, oh my gosh. Over here, you can see a little sneak peek of the barn and stuff. I can show you a little better vantage point when I get upstairs, but I'm starting to get wet. So let's get under the covering. Absolutely gorgeous front patio space here. Very typical country luxury. Gives me that, what was that movie? Gone with the Wind. Had the big pillars in the front. But let's head on in here. Great foyer. So this way is the kitchen. Everyone's hanging out. Broker's open today with the Aussie real estate team. This is Cheyenne Johnson's listing. You got a coat closet right here. Love the curved staircase. Got kind of a sitting room slash den in here. But then there's another like formal living on the other side. So this is just kind of a hangout spot. You do have patio doors out to the back, storm shelter. Through here is going to be the primary, massive room, crown molding, all the things, lots of natural light. You have 2 closets. So here's one of them right here. And then you have double doors into the bathroom, dual vanities, toilet area. The shower is tucked right there. And then on the other side is that second closet. Love that. Let's go back around. Fully fenced. There's multiple pastures as well. There's a, oh, what do you call it? A circle pin for breaking horses or whatever. I'm pulling out terminology. My family used to raise cows, but really great. Here, let me just step out here really quick. It is raining, but this part's covered, so I can kind of talk about it. So over here is that, well, they have like the cattle chute for like the shots and all of that kind of stuff. But this building over here has a kitchen in it. There's like a living room. It's got full utilities, all that stuff. I'll put some pictures up for you because I'm not going to walk over there because it's raining. But obviously more pasture there. I want to say the seller said they had like 20 cattle on here, but she's since sold all of them in preparation for selling the property. But obviously you can come unload your cattle. You do have the pond out there. I don't know if you can see it in the video. I think you can, but really great. And then there's the other barn over there on the back, that red barn in the distance. Like I said, it's about 20.5 acres, more or less. But storm shelter, you got a good amount of patio space out here. And then that door would take you into the garage, which I can show you a little bit later. And that goes into the kitchen, I think. But let's go back in this door. So right inside that door, here's that den we were at. And then you've got your laundry room right here, which is a good size. It's got some cabinets, folding area. And then over here is a powder bath. Pretty great. And then you do have some more drawers here as well. But making the circle, here is our kitchen. So you can talk, it's fine. Don't be weird. It's always weird when I walk in and there's silence.
Oh wait, I was like,
yeah. This is it. We're YouTube videoing it.
Wow.
Gas range, lots of cabinets in here. Island, this is granite, I'm assuming. Nice stainless steel sink. The classic, look out to the backyard when you're doing the dishes. We got kind of the office nook right here. Everyone's chilling at the table. I also like the archways in the front. That was a good something to point out. So here's that other, what we're gonna call like the formal living. You got the fireplace in here. It is gas. Looks like it has a blower on it too, which is pretty great. But nice big room. And then on the other side is your kind of mudroom area. So the garage is over here. And then you have like hang up area. There's that door to the back patio where I was a second ago. And an absolutely massive 3-car garage, which is pretty great. And you have another access door to the backyard over there. So that about does it for the downstairs, but there's a whole lot more upstairs, the second balcony, all of that. So let me know in the comments what you think so far. But let's head upstairs and check out the rest of the bedrooms. And then there's like the balcony, and there's even like 2 more bedrooms up another flight of stairs, which is pretty cool. So right here is the balcony. I mean, come on. So peaceful out here. All I can hear is the birds. It's pretty great. Big patio. I don't know exactly how big this is, but put some swings up here. Love it. Oh, there is also like a pole barn or lean-to right there. Loaf shed, I think they call that, for this pasture area. And then there's a little sneak peek of the barn, which I'll go over there. You do have water for the pens, which is nice. So you can see one of them right there. But this side is one of the bedrooms. Now you do have a lot of attic storage in here, which is pretty nifty. Check that out. Could be finished out into a nice secret room. Would be so fun. There's another one on the other side, which I'll show you in a minute. Here's the closet for this bedroom. Here is the bathroom. Nice big vanity. Shower. And then you have a second back patio as well, which is pretty cool. Over here is where I can show you a little bit of a sneak peek. So you can see the pen there. And like I said, that's all finished out. I think I showed you those pictures already. Really good view of the land. You can see it's fully fenced. Pretty fantastic. Both bedrooms have access to this patio. So there's the door for the other bedroom. This, I want to say, is just storage area. Oh no, just kidding. It's the furnace and the water tank. There we go. That's pretty luxurious, not gonna lie. Make sure that's locked. So we'll come back around to the other side. It's basically identical. You got the bathroom there. Here's that other attic space I told you about. Pretty great, pretty great. And then this one's got that full bath. And then out there is the patio like I just showed you. But wait, there's more. Upstairs, like I said, is I believe two more bedrooms. So you've got this bedroom, nice little bump out there, which looks like some storage in there. This is just attic access. And over here is your closet. And then in here is just your attic for the furnace up here. Full bath in the hallway. And another identical bedroom on this side. And a closet, of course. Pretty fantastic. But let me know in the comments, what do you think about this house? I don't really have a whole lot of complaints. I mean, it's a little dated in some spots, but honestly, if you're buying a property like this, you're buying it for the land because you have cattle and stuff like that. So I'll put a link in the description to all the stuff you need to know. So make sure you check that out. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tours like this. Look at my hair curling up in this, this weather. But yeah, if you're interested in this home, reach out to me. Like and subscribe for more home tours like this. If I can ever be of assistance in any of your real estate needs, hey, reach out to me and I will see you in the next one.